Natural products. Are they safer and better for your family? If you look at the market today, you will see that there are a whole slew of natural and organic products that are now available. The problem is, how can you tell if these products are really better for you or not? Actually, there are certain guidelines that manufacturers must adhere to for them to be using the labels natural, organic, and eco. One of the main restrictions for manufacturers is that they must not use any type of synthetic fertilizers during their manufacturing process. This includes not using chemicals or dyes to enhance colors, for example. In Canada, products that are natural or classified as homeopathic medicines or treatments have been regulated by the Natural Health Products Regulations since 2004 and will carry an 8-digit number on them. This allows consumers to feel safe about using these type of products. Natural products are gaining in popularity as the manufacturing methods are not as harmful to the environment as traditional methods. Workers at the production plants do not have to inhale or touch chemicals, and no local wildlife is endangered. As much as everybody is into recycling, some recycled materials still damage the environment. Products made organically will not do this and can be recycled safely without damaging the soil or local water tables. There are tons of natural and organic products available, and these include items like shampoos, skin and body lotions, baby items, natural hair colors, and both human and pet foods. All of these markets are huge, and as more and more products become available, the real retailers have to compete for customers. This price war is advantageous to you as the consumer, as you have the upper hand when shopping. You can now afford to do price comparisons and look for the best specials and discounts. With increased online shopping, the prices of organic and natural products is even better. You don't have to worry about whether the store is local or not. Most online retailers offer low or sometimes free shipping, and your items can be delivered to your front door within a matter of days. Even at your local grocery store, you will notice that the organic department is growing in size. This also includes more fresh breads and naturally produced deli meats and juices. These will be stored in the refrigerated section of your grocery store. Obviously, foods with fewer preservatives will spoil faster and will require refrigeration at home. Once you have tried organic foods and natural products for your family, you will wonder why you never made the switch earlier.